Hello everyone, welcome again in my channel. Looking for a simple and budget-friendly headset that just get the job done so well? Today I have something on my desk that might just surprise you. This is the Logitech H111 stereo headset, a classic wired headset with a 3.5 mm audio jack. And trust me, sometimes simple is the ultimate style. So stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know whether this little champ deserves a spot in your setup or not. So let's unbox it. Alright, let's do the unboxing. First thing, the packaging is quite basic, minimal, neat, just like the headset itself. So let's do it. Alright, here we go. As I open it up, the first thing we get is, yes, our star of the show, the Logitech H111 headset. It's looking very simple, very portable. It's lightweight and quite flexible too. Here's the adjustable handband, and here we have the foam ear cushions. It is too soft, but yeah, it's a basic foam. Rotating microphone, you can see it can rotate up to 360-degree rotation. You can adjust it according to your comfort. Lastly, here is our 3.5 mm audio jack, just plug and play, so no drivers needed. Can work with PC, laptops, smartphones and cameras, basically anything with a 3.5 mm ports. Now let's get to the real deal, the testing. I have plugged it into my laptop's audio jack. So first up, let's test the audio quality. So honestly guys, the bass are not too much, but mids and highs are very crisp and clear and loud also. It's not a bass heavy headset, but it's perfect for voice calls, online classes, casual music and watching movies also. Now switching to testing the mic record. So I will provide some sample mic record. Now it is the mic testing time. I have switched to the Logitech H111 mic and here's how it sounds. This is testing 1 2 3. This is my voice using the Logitech H111 headset microphone. So guys, what do you think? The sound, what is the and how is the sound quality of this mic? Let me know in the comments. So honestly, it picks up voice clearly, minimal background noise, and not studio quality, but great for meeting, Zoom calls and even some casual gaming chat also. Quickly wrap this up with the pros and cons guys. It is very lightweight and comfort. As you can see, it has adjustable. It can increase the size of this headset also, and it is a plug and play, no setup first, and clear audio for calls and music. It is very flexible mic itself. So if you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you buy this headset or not, and about its mic quality. So comment me. Thanks for watching.